Now, here's how this video is gonna be, just a tad different. I want to do more of a DIY approach. Well, you know, ish, kind of. But I thought it would be really fun to, what am I making? I'm making a couch armrest. An armrest for the couch. A wooden armrest for the couch. Now let's go to Home Depot, pick up the material for this project, and then go from there. Hello, can I do a large fuel? Okay, now we're going to Home Depot. What else do I need? Forgot to check one thing. See this? See this too? Not gonna need it. Now I'm going back to the roots, to where I started. I want to build this project just using very rudimentary tools. This would be the main tool. Now I went to Home Depot and I bought a piece. This is all I'm gonna need for this project. Also, you're gonna need super glue, magnet, square block, safety glasses, your phone, math, tape measure, sandpaper, little square thingy, clamps. So now here's the idea. Get yourself some sort of straight-ish piece of scrap wood. You're gonna take some super glue. You're gonna just dab it all on that magnet. Place that magnet onto your piece of wood, just like so, and let it dry. So when I go like that, I cut straight. Confession, I cheated. Scratched the whole DIY idea, and I'm just taking you guys along for this really easy project. That's I feel bad, but that was taking way too long. Even though I cheated, I'm still trying my best. Primarily this, it just makes you really appreciate power tools and how they make life so much easier. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick to that. Let's continue. I'm just gonna paint this up with that iron acetate. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Basically, I had a jar, took vinegar, then I put steel wool. I do want to do it on something. Hold on. What I did was I let it on for like a week or two. So I'm just gonna put it like that. And basically, the vinegar breaks down the steel wool, and then what else does it do? And then it becomes like a, I don't know, a dye stain, basically. It does something with the tannins in the wood. I don't know, I just saw it looks cool. Oak does the best kind of like reaction to it. And it's like instant, dude. It's like crazy. So you kind of, I noticed, like you want to do it as fast as you can. Let that soak in, and we'll go from there. So yeah, obviously that is not meant for my couch. It's meant for something bigger, and I'm done here. I'm gonna go ahead and give him this gift. So we're done.